Before the video starts, I'm gonna give you a quick story, bring you up to speed, how we got to this eviction point. Stay tuned. Story time. All right. This is the worst tenant I ever had since I've been investing in real estate. So let me, I guess, start from the beginning. I bought this house from a wholesaler in, let's see, October, I think, 2017. Okay, I bought it from him. And it was supposed to be like, I think she was owner financing it from somebody, her dad, friend, or something like that. And the guy went into the funeral, not the funeral home. He went into the nursing home, so he called a loan due. So she needed somebody to buy out the loan. Basically, that's what I did. So it was just a bunch of mess. So we closed on it, and then I told her, since she was living in the house already and all that, the house is very nice. I told her, just pay me $11.50 a month, and you pay me $11.50 a month for the next 30 years, and the house is yours. So tried to help out, you know, trying to be the good guy in the situation, trying to create a win-win situation for everybody. So did that. From the first month, it was always a problem. Always late. Always got to excuse something about with the doctor or something like that. I'm gonna show y'all the text messages. Y'all can look at them. I'll drop them right now. All right, if y'all want to look at that, I guess just pause them. But anyway, so as y'all could see, it was always something every month, something with a doctor, something every month. So, like I said, I tried to, I don't know, I guess it hurt my feelings a little bit that the lady was really sick. She was sending me all kind of doctor bills, not bills, notes, all kind of stuff. So, not really that I felt bad, but, you know, I'm trying to, I don't know. I guess I did feel bad for her health, but anyway, every month. So she just had to go. So that's why she got evicted. The time was up. So did the eviction. Now she's out. We still talk every once in a while, check up on me and all that. So she's a good person. It's just she just wasn't right for business. So we had to go our separate ways. So that's a little story. What's up? Update. We talking about the Lake Charles house. I'm giving y'all an update. Y'all remember I went to the courthouse to file the eviction? Well, the eviction has been granted. So it's May 20th, 7:05 a.m. We're about to head to the house, check it out, and see what we gotta do. Maybe we gotta clean up a little bit, paint a little bit, and get it ready for the next tenant. I'll see you at the house. All right, we have made it to the house, Lake Charles. This is the ugly side of real estate investing, but I'm trying to give y'all the real on this channel. Let's go check out the inside. So I look at the eviction. This used to be a bedroom right here. So it was originally a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. One bedroom. It's the master right here. Man, it's disgusting. Main living space, living room area. It's the kitchen, wash and dry, pantry. We have a deck right here in the backyard. Man, it's a nice house. Very nice house. Just trash the place. Again, this is in Lake Charles. What I'm gonna do right here later is add a mobile home right here. Rent that out as well. I think they got all the connections already. Yeah. So probably gonna cut these trees up here. Cut that tree and that tree. And then we could put a mobile home. So it'll fit perfectly right here. Then we could add value to this property and get more rent every month. So we're about to clean this up. Show you how to look at the end. The life of a real estate investor, you gotta love it. This is disgusting. I don't know how people live like this. It's crazy. Little break, about to get something to eat, then we'll get back to cleaning this dirty house. This is where we're gonna eat. Mama Rita's, some little place in Lake Charles. See y'all back at the house. That was some of the best food I ever had. If y'all ever in Lake Charles, please check it out. It's Mama Rita's kitchen. It's the last room, we're almost done. As you can see, it's not that much stuff. All right, here we are, we done for the day. First room. Bathroom here. Second room. Got a living room, dining room there. This is the third room. It's the fourth room, the master. We got the bathroom here. We're going to come back and we're gonna paint the whole house one color, fix it, shower, add that wall to the first bedroom I showed you. We're gonna leave the kitchen the same. We will add some knobs, some new knobs in the kitchen. This is the wash and dryer, and this is the pantry or extra storage, whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, this is a pretty nice house. It's 1,706 square foot, 4 bed, 2 bath, in Lake Charles, Louisiana. I think we did good for our first time cleaning up after eviction. We're gonna have a cleaning company come in and tidy it up. We'll probably change the carpet in this room. I'm not too sure. Yeah, we're probably gonna change it. And yeah, I'll run the numbers for y'all. I'm sorry I lied to you. This video is approaching 9 minutes. It's getting too long. So, as promised, I'll run the numbers on this property on the next video. If y'all still watching, give me a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all. I got more heat coming. See y'all.